Hello students, in this video we are going to solve x plus y times x square plus y square, this is equals to 680, and x minus y times x square minus y square, this is equals to 360, and here we will find out the value of x and y, and x and y both are real numbers. Let us consider this is equation number first and this is equation number second. Look carefully equation number second. Here x minus y times x square minus y square, this is difference between two squares, is x minus y times x plus y, and this is equals to 360. X minus y times x minus y is x minus y whole square times x plus y, and this is equals to 360. If we divide both sides, x minus y whole square, here divide by x minus y whole square, and here divide by x minus y whole square, then this and this is cancelled out, and value of x plus y is 360 over x minus y whole square. X plus y is replaced by 360 over x minus y whole square, then here 360 over x minus y whole square is multiplied by x square plus y square, and this is equals to 680. If we multiplied both sides x minus y whole square, then in left hand side 360 is multiplied by x square plus y square, and this is equals to 680 times x minus y whole square. Now divide both sides 40, then here 40 and here 40, then this and this is cancelled out, and this 36 is divided by 4, then we get 9, and this is cancelled out, and 68 divided by 4, then we get 17. Here 9 times x square plus y square, and this is equals to 17 times x minus y whole square is x square plus y square minus 2 times x y. This 9 is multiplied by x square, and this 9 is multiplied by y square. Then in left hand side 9 times x square plus 9 times y square, and this is equals to, here 17 is multiplied by inside the bracket, then in right hand side 17 times x square plus 17 times y square minus this 17 is multiplied by minus 2 times x, then we get minus 34 times xy. Minus 34 times xy. If we take all the expression in same side, then 17x square plus 17y square minus 34 times xy minus 9 square minus 9y square, and this is equals to 0. 17 times x square, and this is 9 times x square, that is 8 times x square plus 17 times y square minus 9 times y square, that is 8 times y square minus 34 times xy, and this is equals to 0. In left hand side all terms are divisible by 2, so here divide by 2 and divide by 2, and here divide by 2. 8 is divided by 2, then we get 4 times x square plus 8 is divided by 2, then we get 4 times y square minus 34 divided by 2, then we get 17 times xy, and this is equals to 0. Here 4 times x square minus 17 times xy plus 4 times y square, this is equals to 0. Now first we will factorize in left hand side. Here 4 times x square minus 17 times xy is same as minus 16 times xy minus x times y plus 4 times y square, and this is equals to 0. Look carefully these two terms. If we take common 4 times x, then here x minus 4y, and here if we take common minus y, then here x minus 4 times y, and this is equals to 0. X minus 4 times y, x minus 4 times y is common. If we take x minus 4 times y is common, then here 4 times x minus y, this is equals to 0. Here product of two expressions is equals to 0, so we can say x minus 4 times y is equals to 0, or 4 times x minus y, this is equals to 0. Here we can say x is equals to 4 times y, and here we can say y is equals to 4 times x. If we take case first, and case first is x is equals to 4 times y, and equation first is x plus y times x square plus y square, this is equals to 680. X plus y times x square plus y square, and this is equals to 680, and x is replaced by 4 times y. Then here 4 times y plus y times x is replaced by 4 times y square plus y square, and this is equals to 680. 4 times y plus y, that is 5 times y, is multiplied by 4 times y square is 16 times y square plus y square, and this is equals to 680. Then here 5 times y is multiplied by 16 times y square plus y square is 17 times y square, this is equals to 680. If we divide both sides 17, then here 17 and here 17, this 17 and this 17 is cancelled out, then value of 5 times y is multiplied by y cube, this is equals to, here y square, and this is equals to 680 divided by 17, then we get 40. If we divide both sides 5, then this 5 and this 5 is cancelled out, y times y square is y power 3, this is equals to 40 divided by 5, then we get 8. Y cube, this is equals to 8 is same as 2 power 3. If we take both sides power 1 over 3, then value of y is 2. And we know that x is equals to 4 times y. So value of x is, y is replaced by 2, then we get value of x is 8. So our solution is x comma y, this is equals to x is equals to 8, then value of y is 2. Now solve case second. Case second is y is equals to 4 times x. Y is equals to 4 times x, and equation first is x plus y times x square plus y square, and this is equals to 680. X plus y is replaced by 4 times x, and here x square plus y is replaced by 4 times x, then here 4 times x square, and this is equals to 680. X plus 4x, that is 5 times x, and here x square plus 4 times x square is 16 times x square, this is equals to 680. Then 5 times x is multiplied by x square plus 16 times x square, that is 17 times x square, and divided by 680. If we divide both sides 17, then here 17 and here 17, this 17 is cancelled out by this 17. Then in left hand side 5 times x is multiplied by x square, this is equals to 680 divided by 70, then we get 40. If we divide both sides 5, then this 5 and this 5 is cancelled out. X times x square is x power 3, this is equals to 40 divided by 5, then we get 8. Then value of x cube, this is equals to 8 is same as 2 power 3, and if we take both side power 1 over 3, then value of x is 2. So here value of x is 2, and we know that equation second is y is equals to 4 times x, then y is equals to 4 times 2, then y is equals to 8. So our solution is, if x is equals to 2, then value of y is 8. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.